Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, or should I say keychain. Now this time it's from Rovyvon. Now this here is their Aurora A8. Now I was sent this kit directly from Rovyvon. They wanted me to test and review this little light from them. It comes in this little case. So let's wait no further. Let's open it up, see what's in. Show it to you up close before I get into it here. Nice little clip. Displays the light very nicely. Take everything out of here. And you get two key rings here. Now they do provide another charging port cover, and you can also change the tail end here to a magnetic if you want. Have the magnet you can use it hands-free. I'm not going to do so, but I am going to use one of these key rings. So that's nice that it comes with that. As you can see, it's pretty powerful. So I'm going to get out the user manual here, and got quite a few stuff in here. We've got a little card here, warranty card. Alright. And you've got a unlock before you first use it. It is locked out. Tells you how to do so. And we've got the user manual. Now Rovyvon is impressive in their manuals as well. Very detailed, everything you need to know how to use it. Multi-language. Now it is a little bit on the small side, so let me find I want to make sure that I find the English detail here. Is a little on the small side, but it's not too bad. 650 lumens on the main LED. That is in cool white. And you've got the other, so it looks like side light specs are right there. Now if you need more time to read any of these, you can go back and pause it and read it. But I will post them on screen during the night shots. I'm going to go ahead and put the clip on because I like the way those look and they're easy to put it on. So we're going to go ahead. Yeah, there's 3 grooves this time on the body. So it looks like you can have it a little bit different length. You can have it there, it's right at the top of the head. You have it there, a little bit lower. So I'm going to put it right here at the top of the head. I kind of like it like that. Now the nice thing about, you really don't need the bottom one here on the tail end, because this is actually a magnetic, so you can easily angle that light, hands-free it, especially these side lights here or the main LED. Really strong, it's not going anywhere. So that's pretty nice. The ability to hands-free and everyday carry light is critical. Now let's take a look here at the light. There it is, super compact. Nice stainless steel bezel. Like the stainless steel button on there as well. Just a nice looking light. The body is see-through ABS plastic. Style and design on this is very nice. I've reviewed many of their lights I'm going to grab a keychain or a key ring here so I can put it on my jacket when I go out. Now you've got two different ones here. I always use the thin one, but you do have, if I can get it out of there, you've got a thicker one here and a standard one. So just to let you know that. Got pretty good at this, as I can get it the first time. I shouldn't speak too soon, but I think I did it. Things can be a bugger to get on there. So that's what it looks like. Put it with your keys and you've got light wherever you need it. Now this here is not super strong. It can pull off because of the plastic body. So if you are worried about that, you can take it off and just use the key ring. No issues there. These things are really strong and rugged. You can see the battery inside here. Show it to you up close. It's such a small, tiny light. Rugged build quality. Let's go ahead and take a look here at the special optics. If I can get a good angle here. Now behind the special optics is a Cree XP-G3 LED. Okay, well this is a sealed unit, so let's go ahead and go through the UI. UI is pretty straightforward. In order to activate the light, it is locked out. As you remember in the warning, we're going to go ahead and click this 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turns on the side light. And now we can go through. You got 2 levels there. That is definitely more of a 4K. High and low. Nice. Now we're going to do 3 clicks. 1, 2, 3. Now we have the UV. Definitely great to have something like this if you have possibly a fake bill, or if someone's paying you something, you're selling something, you can just verify that that bill is authentic and genuine. And now we'll go ahead and double click. Now turned on the main LED. And we're very low light output there. Go through the light outputs, cool white on this main LED. Let's take a look here at the beam. You see main focused areas in the hotspot, and the spill just tapers off, as you can see at the end there. It's pretty typical to be a little weak on the spill area. See, it just drops off. A lot of light coming out of here. So now we're going to go ahead and press and hold from off. We'll get you the instant access to the 650 lumens. Double click, we'll turn on the main light, and they do that so you don't accidentally turn on the light with your keys in your pocket. Now nothing's absolutely, press and hold, turns that off, and that's all there is to this light. Now this here has gotten a little warm, so I was running that 650 lumens there, so a little warm there. Not bad though. And that's all there is to this. It's pretty simple, easy to operate this. You just got to remember those 2 clicks, 3 clicks, and 4 clicks to be able to access the side lights as well as the main LED. Nice looking keychain light, something you would definitely need in an emergency. Most people, when you're driving your car, you got your keys, you got your flashlight in an emergency. Even use this if your car breaks down, you got it. Well, let's wait no further. Let's take this A8 Aurora out and see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the Rovyvon A8 Aurora. A little keychain light. Let's go ahead and get started. I think that is on the highest setting, so let's go back down here. Here's the lowest setting, as you can see on the ground. Someone broke the dead end gate here. Started off on the highest, sorry about that. So we'll start here at the range of probably about 5 to 6 feet. I'm gonna go to the next level here. Remember, all coming from this little keychain light. Water spout, 38 feet there. And it is faintly making 65 feet. There's the beam on the fence. Let's go to the next level there. Look at that. 65 feet. Well, a lot better lit up there. Now I have a link below my video to my testing area, should you have any questions or doubts. Now it is making 138 feet there. Look at that. Hope that's picking it up good on the camera. All from a little keychain light. Now this has kind of a little soft hue to it on the body, which is pretty amazing. There's the highest output. Go back over here, look at that. Tree of Life lit up. And it is faintly making 238 feet, but it's real faint. Crazy. So now we're going to go ahead and we're back to the lowest. Now we're going to do the side lights. 1, 2, 3. Now we have the UV. See, my feet and pants are, well, my shoelaces are glowing there. 1, 2, 3. Whoop, hit the wrong one there. I got all these other ones here. Let's click on that till we got the red. That's actually pretty good performance for a red light. Then of course we got the blinking. We got the kind of a strobe on and off real quickly. And we're back to the UV. Go ahead and get the side lights here. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. There we go. There's side lights, 4 clicks. My fingers are frozen, so I'm having a hard time feeling the button here. So here it is, warm white coming out of here. And then we got additional light output there. So you can see probably about 10, maybe 20 feet. And then back down to the lowest. All right. Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Impressive beam performance from such a tiny little light. Wonder it is so bright and it's so tiny. Easy. Stick this with your keys, throw it in your pocket, whatever you want to do with it. Put it on your shirt with the clip, magnetically stick it somewhere, maybe in your vehicle. and have it as an emergency. Really a lot of things you can do with these. This also makes a great gift idea because they're not that terribly expensive, and very rugged. I'm not seeing any issues with this. Aurora is a great series of keychain lights from Rovyvon. I've got to take my hats off to them. These do perform very well. The battery, of course, is limited, so if you use the higher outputs on here, you're going to drain it pretty fast. But if you use everyday carry, say like medium or low, this thing has pretty impressive run times. I like the side lights. You have both cool white. If you're not a fan of that, you've got warm white. Floodlight here on the side, or you can have more of a little thrower ready to go if you need it. Walking from your car. Alright, well I want to thank Rovyvon for sending me this Aurora A8 to review. Now if this keychain light is something you're interested in getting, I will leave a link down below the video, including a special discount code where you can get this, just in case you're interested. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that thanks button. Donate to my channel. Otherwise, you can please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these lights from Rovyvon to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care. Well, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness.